Hi, my name is Jeff Shermack. I'm tech support here at Safety Speed Manufacturing. I'm going to take you through a demonstration of the basic operations of the 72 GP Edgebander. For starters, you just turn on the power, the feeder, and the glue pot. We have guillotine knives for both your leading edge and your tail edge. Also trim routers that trim the top and bottom edges. Up to 1 mil is the thickness of the edge banding. Let me go ahead, run a piece through, and show you how it works. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can visit our website, safetyspeed.com.